So you get home from work and the last thing you want to do is cook. Well, I've got a great recipe for Cajun marinated chicken here that will take you 10 minutes, literally 10 minutes, to prep and pop in the oven. You can even do it the night before. So I've got about 2 pounds of chicken here marinating in my special Cajun blend. I've got wings. You can use breasts, you can use thighs, drumsticks, whatever kind of chicken you'd like actually. And so for the marinade, we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of horseradish mustard. You got 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now I'm using my own blend of Cajun spices that I've developed, but if you don't have your own, you can just use an equal parts of thyme, oregano, and basil with a pinch of cayenne pepper, and then about a tablespoon or 2 of salt. So once you've been marinating the chicken for about 5 hours, I did it overnight. I think that's the best. You can even do it the night before, as I said. We're going to start transferring to a pan, just a plain old greased baking pan, like so. Lay them out. Now I've preheated the oven to 425 degrees. I know that seems high, but what we're going to do is we're going to bake the chicken for just about 15 minutes. And what that does is it sears them and sears the juices into the meat. Now if you're using breasts, you probably want to keep it to the 375 degree mark. So I've preheated the oven to 425 degrees. We're just going to put the chicken right in. And we're going to keep it there for about 15 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes, and what we're doing is we're just going to bring them down to 350 and let them bake for about 30 minutes now. So it's been about 30 minutes, and it's time to take the chicken out of the oven. It looks really good. And that's how you make Cajun marinated chicken. I'm Jason Balin from Whipped and Beaten Culinary Works.